What's up, Rabbit Motorworks fam? We are at another video here working on the Camaro, aka the Bitchin Camaro, and we are after getting the water pump done because it is a leaking, as you can see here on the floor underneath. So this has been going poorly over the last month or so. So I've got a brand new AC Delco pump, and I just got all the things I needed here, including I got some RTV, and I had to go get a plug for the top hole here, and I'll put that in with some Teflon. And I've got our coolant and our distilled water to make sure we get a distilled water mix. So let's start doing a takedown of the mow tray and get out the old pump. So I'll put that on a time lapse for you guys. Okay, so in order to get at that water pump, it's going to be lots of fun because just about every single accessory attaches to that thing. So that means taking everything off the center pulley, which is basically the drive pulley, off the water pump because it's multiple belt system. So yeah, and the alternator is on a serpentine as well, but I got the coolant catch pan, so let's start breaking it down. Okay, everybody, we have got a water pump back on, fully assembled, all the belts tightened. I gotta add some coolant. I just rinsed out the reservoir. Here's our assortment of old coolant with junk. Here's our old water pump. As you can see right here, that weep hole was definitely done for the count. That's the original water pump, by the way. So cool. All right, so let's get some coolant in it and give it a turn. All right, guys, that's it for the video. She's back running right before dusk. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.